Previously on Bumbling Tourist, we flew to Bali, Indonesia, and explored Ubud, before taking a short flight to Lombok, where we explored Araguling. I don't think we even said we were going, eh?
What's that?
I don't even think we said where we were going.
No, we haven't talked to Cam yet today, have we?
Yeah, we drove
so
for
what up,
2
internet?
hours to Bangsal Port to go to Gili Air.
So there'll be lots of footage that you probably just watched of us driving.
Yeah, or maybe we'll resplice it.
Yeah, context.
Yeah. This is the ticket to Gili Air. These are the prices to all the different ones. This is just the public ferry. And we bought the ticket from the place behind you over there. Little hut. And yeah, we have to wait until there's like 40 people, so we're gonna be standing here for quite a while.
Probably.
That over there in the distance is Gili Air. That's where we're going. And this here is the terminal. Hey, yeah?
What's that?
I think that's where we're going, that island right there. It's the closest one.
Cool.
That's why it's the cheapest price.
Works for me.
Yeah. I can't wait to sit down and have a beer eventually.
Yeah.
In a little bit. I wonder if the rooster counts as one of the people on the boat.
Maybe.
When they count to 40.
mosey on.
Yeah.
The horse behind you.
Oh, there is. Look at him. Did you get a video of him?
I did, yeah. Just chilling. Alright.
Sorry. Gotta wait for it to go back to this before I can turn it off. That's where we arrived to after the really, really quick ferry. I wonder if all boats have sheet metal down the middle. I think that's probably not normal. But
Yeah.
there was no place to sit and nobody would move down the boat. So, whatever.
That was tricky.
It's fine. We made it.
Yeah.
I lost feeling in all of my toes, though. It's okay. They're still there.
You ready to mosey on?
Yeah.
Over. What do you think?
The thing I'm worried about is that rain is definitely coming. That medical clinic looks very open 24 hours.
Or an abandoned field. Take your pick.
Doruma is made of coconuts.
I didn't notice, no.
Yeah, the storm is coming. So, I think we either need to risk it and see if we can get there early. They'll let us in, and if they won't, then we have to find a spot like pretty damn soon.
The last place let us check in and
Sorry? What did you say?
the last place let us check in a million hours early, so
Yeah.
maybe our luck streak will continue. But if not, like it's going to be the shortest time to kill.
I know, I just mean it looks
If
like
it's
it's
pouring
gonna
rain, yeah.
pour soon.